Luckily, it's wood all over this place. I'm going to use all this wood. I'm going to make a whole path and then drive on it and get out that mud, turn around, and get out of here. Like, I don't know what's going on in here or what this is, but look at this. Hello? It's a model home? This shit goofy, bro. This can't be right. I'm gonna borrow some of y'all wood, bro. 'Cause y'all got me stuck in the mud. Okay. This is... my truck's stuck over there. The whole building, the whole back of the building. It's just abandoned, yo. Ooh, more wood. Sorry, man. Y'all was using this to build. That's on y'all. Y'all should never got me. It's like it's... but there's nobody in this whole hangar. It's a whole building. A lunch table with food on it. What the fuck? What is this, bro? I don't understand. They trying to... I don't understand, bro. What is this contraption? I was just over there. I drove around here. All right, let me put this camera down so I can get this wood. Take it easy on me. I need luck. Somebody, karma, somebody help me. I got enough of it stacked up, right? Please, I need to get out of this situation. I don't understand. Okay, I've been at this place for I don't know how long, but when I came to the front, they told me to go around the back of the building, and I said, this the address. It was like, okay, yeah, you going to CB Brown, whatever, Andrews. I'm like, yeah, this the place. He said, go around the back of the building, check in. There goes somebody over there. I don't know what's going on. But this is a goddamn abandoned warehouse, man. There's nothing in here. Why would he tell me to come to the back of the building? There's nothing and nobody in this whole building. And now my truck's stuck in the mud. We need a tow truck. I can't even get out. It won't budge. I can't rock it. I can't move it. There's nothing but mud and dirt and gravel and abandoned stuff. So I'm about to walk back up to the security guard and, you know, nicely cuss people out because I'm highly upset. Why did he tell me to come back here? This don't make no sense. It's an abandoned building. I don't understand. This the address. 300 Kent. Hello? Abandoned. What is this, man? The other side of the building. That's north, south, east, west. There's nothing here. I don't understand. Why did he tell me this was the place and then go around back? There's nothing but dirt and mud. Hey, I went around the back, but there's nothing back there.
There's supposed to be a fish hatchery back there.
There's nothing back there. And I'm stuck in the mud. I gotta get a tow truck. I didn't see no, like, half of the building is abandoned?
No, there's supposed to be a fish hatchery back there. There's CR Brown trucks that come back there all the time.
I have no idea. Because I just went back there. There's nothing back there. Like, literally. Like, I walked in the building.
Yeah.
There's nothing or nobody in the back of the building.
When did you get the pickup? There's no way they moved all their stuff out since.
I don't understand. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Because they've been here. So I work for the company that's on this half of the building.
What's the name of that building?
It's Phoenix. But then CR Brown, which is the fish hatchery, they have semi trucks and all that come through here all the time, moving stuff. So I don't know where it's at that they're supposed to go to. I know it's on the other side of the building in the back end, which is where they told me to send everybody.
But it's mud. This the back of the building where it's at. It's mud all the way up to this whole thing. That's the only dock. Grass, mud. That couldn't happen in a week. All this is all mud, all up the side of the building. This is abandoned, broken down. Where was this fish homies at? I don't understand. This is all abandoned. So this can't be They, like the guy, security guy said, they got put out or something. The people in the front bought the whole building and told the rest of these little companies to leave. That's the story I'm getting from the security guard. So, but if I can even walk, I'm sinking. I didn't see this though. It was pitch black. And if I would have saw this, I would have never drove back here. I couldn't see what I was looking at. All I could see was it was a path. So I was just following a path. But this, no, not a chance. I would have never drove back here. This is stupid. Why would I? What is this? I couldn't see. Oh my God. I'm trying to be early and pick it up. Should have waited till the daylight came out. They gave us a window for a reason. See, at that side, they working on the houses over there. So this whole side of this building is abandoned. So it making no sense. That's them in this tent right here. Some people just showed up. I just talked to them. And they say that they got 2 weeks left and then they'll be gone. Oh, snap, somebody pulling up. So I just finally talked to the guy. He want me to back in right here and they're gonna load me with a forklift. So I just wanted to show y'all. And the tow truck say that they on their way. They just now leaving. They about an hour out. So I have to back in here and they operating out of these intermodal pods right here. But yeah, the tow truck will be here in an hour.
$1,660 for dollars tow ticket.
No, I couldn't have drove this way either. Still on mud back here too. I see they driving on wood. No bathrooms, porta potties all over the place. Oh, it smells really bad too. I should have just hopped in this and pulled myself out. Oh no, he just brought this here. This wasn't there. He brought this here and then he loaded that. Yeah, this wasn't there. Okay. They loaded me up now. I guess this they reefer unit right here. What a lie. So no matter which way I would have went, as soon as I would have went off of this road, all of this, I would have got stuck up here too. So that's what happened back there. I followed this dirt road, went around, and I tried to turn around, and right off the path, all of that got stuck. All of this stuck. There's a ditch right there, actually. I'm glad I didn't hit that. I didn't even see that. It's pitch black. So these people back here not saying nothing to me because they working on these houses. So yeah, I would have got stuck right there. All of this. I would have got stuck right there trying to turn around. And all of this. So this was my destiny to get stuck. Just imagine if this the dock to this abandoned place, I don't have to pull up here into that mud and get stuck before I even get into the dock. No matter which way it went, I would have been stuck back here today. So I don't even know if this place still exists or not, but I'm about to come back here because he said all of this is somebody else. So I'm gonna come to the back where he said the fish supposed to be, and I'm gonna show you what I see back here. Stuck right there and on the other side, but I'm at the spot where I can be lined up because I still got to watch out for all of this mud because I had to do a maneuver like to get myself turned around, and there's mud on every side of the truck. So I could have stuck over here, stuck here, stuck there, stuck here, stuck there. But the tow guy stayed with me to help me get back out the mud again. So just, to see it through until I was able to get lined up with the parking spot. Cause I'm supposed to line up right here under this awning and not over there at the abandoned building.